Syempre, of course, do I name all? Should I name some lang?
Some lang.
Sige.
Ay,
all na lang.
Yeah.
Pero wala akong mamiss. Ito. Julius 18, Roses R, Dennis Padilla, Mateo Viticelli, Raver Cruz, Enchon D, Khalil Ramos, Robbie Domingo, Sam Concepcion, Dominic Roque, Leon Barreto, Mark Barreto, John Barreto, Cholo Barreto, Jason, Mark Song, Miguel Barreto, John Sweet Lapos, Enrique Hill, and Inigo Pascual. There.
Yes. Okay. Most of them are your relative, your friends.
Yes.
Inigo ba daw ang iyong
Yes. Inigo is my last.
Wow. I'm not surprised si Inigo. Basta, yun. And next question from Jude.
Hi, good afternoon.
Hello.
I'm just wondering, kasi you're celebrating your 18th birthday. What are the things that you are thankful for over the course of your 18 years in existence? Including na yung pagiging showbiz personality.
Everything that I'm thankful for.
Yes. Or you can probably like mention top 5 or top 3.
Top 5, thankful for, ang dami, but sige, my mom, someone I'm thankful for, something I'm grateful for, gift of family, gift of life, yung dreams ko, na nangyayari now, my fans, my supporters, Mirabella.
Okay. I'm just curious, why did you choose yung white, gray, and silver as a theme? Is that something closest to your heart, yung color?
I think it represents me a lot. I didn't want to go very colorful because then I won't be true to myself kasi hindi talaga ako colorful type of person. I really tried to put some colors, but...
Bakit daw hindi blue or black or
go white or gold? I know, parang gusto ko nang palitan. Mas sikat na yung colors na at least may white ako. No, but then, I think it represents me and for me, it represents elegance, sophistication, lady.
Okay.
Ano?
Yes, Tita Mercy.
Why Inigo as your last dance? Ikaw ba ang pumili sa kanya talaga? Talagang Star Magic lang ang pinagtampan.
Star Magic move.
Hindi. Ibig sabihin, ikaw talaga pumili sa kanya. Why?
Ako po yung personally nagpili kay Inigo because he's become such a good friend of mine talaga. Somebody I can trust with talagang my entire life, I feel. And he's gonna be my partner in crime this whole year. And feeling ko for the next years to come. So parang I feel like he deserves to be my last time.
Naliligaw siya sa'yo niya?
No.
Talaga? Pero type mo siya?
Parang wala kasi akong type. Di ba ganun naman tayo pag may makita tayo, ma-in love, hindi naman natin na-expect na ganun pala type natin. I don't know, wala akong type eh.
Talaga hindi ka pa in love?
No.
Hindi ka pa na-in love?
Sa word? Joke. Showbiz ng answer na yun.
But na-in love ka na eh.
Na-in love, that's such a deep word, deep feeling. Siguro I cannot safely say that I've been in love.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay na, Tita Mercy.
Yes po.
I think si Leo may katanungan.
Yes. Go Leo.
Kasi dun sa past interview ng tatay mo, sabi niya, pwede ka na raw ligawan, pwede ka na magka-boyfriend.
Oo nga, na-shock ako dun.
Diba? Tapos, siguraduhin lang daw nila na hindi ka nila sasaktan. Reaction nila.
Ang sarap niyang pakinggan. Ang sarap niya talagang pakinggan. Because before, when we were kids talaga, it's a no-no. Bawal boyfriend, bawal ligaw. Palagi siyang, meron akong something. Sasapakin ko yan, kung ligaw yan. So, nung napanood ko yung interview, I was so shocked na okay na sa kanya, bigla. I was very touched.
Kasi siguro nakikita niya yung maturity mo na rin, di ba? Kaya allowed na.
Baka nga. Pero wala pa naman, so okay na.
Thank you.
Okay, next question from Ning.
Yeah, hi Julia, I'm Ning, I'm a vlogger. Since nasabi mo kanina, this is your parang appreciation na celebration mo kasi 18 ka for your fans. May part ba sila dito? Or can you share yung parang deeper na kung may celebration kayo or kung invited ba sila or some of your fans are invited on your debut night?
My fans are actually throwing me a debut party on March 6th, this coming Friday.
Okay.
So that's already sharing with them a special day.
So, mas mauuna yung
Mauuna
parang
sila,
celebration
diba?
nila.
Mauuna pa ang celebration with the fans. Yes.
So, on March 10, yung birthday mo talaga is, so, some of your fans
Private
lang.
na yun, private.
Okay. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, sino pong susunod na magtatanong? Dito tayo sa likod. Si Janice. May tanong si Janice.